Hey everyone, if you want to export notes from NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to save and export your notes, summaries, and AI-generated content for use outside NotebookLM. Exporting notes allows you to back up your work, share research, continue editing in other applications, and keep important information accessible. Start by signing in to NotebookLM with your Google account. Select the notebook that contains the notes you want to export. Find the saved notes, summaries, highlights, or AI-generated content you want to export. Check your notes carefully and make sure everything you need is included. Depending on the available features, use the export option or copy the content to another document. Many users choose to paste exported notes into Google Docs for editing and long-term storage. After moving your notes to another platform, you can download, print, or share them as needed. Use clear file names and folders to keep your exported notes easy to find later. Keep backup copies of important notes to avoid losing valuable research and study materials. For better organization, export notes regularly in separate files by subject, project, or research topic. A common mistake is waiting until a project is finished before creating backups of important notes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export notes from NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.